Please share this with Senator Inhofe and Senator Lankford on your Facebook. Senators, I have a way to create U.S. manufacturing growth all over the United States, but first let's bring it into Oklahoma. Let's develop U.S. manufacturing in North Tulsa and then all the small American Indian towns, which is Okmulgee, Muskogee, Tahlequah, Pawhuska, Ada, Lawton, Durant. What I have is designed an assembly line system for manufacturers. I understand how to connect the media, all this media, through digital watermarks, and I see how to use brick and mortars, which will help brick and mortars grow as the outlets. You have to accept what I have. For the longest time, I've been combative, and people have made me angry, and because of they won't accept what I have, and I'm stuck here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, without cash needed to meet the people that have the knowledge to understand it. Senators, you all have the knowledge to understand that there's legislation already for comprehensive economic development funds. There's already an empowerment zone legislation. There's already new tax market credits. You already know that this money has gone into South Carolina to develop Chinese-owned textile companies, India-owned textile companies in Georgia, Chinese-owned glass plants in Ohio. I can go on and on. You know this legislation. This is your knowledge. You understand this. You have to accept what I have. You have to accept I understand how to create this manufacturing. The people around me have to accept that I have this knowledge, and they're not going to accept on the big terms. I'm hoping just to sell these t-shirts at 25, they'll accept that I can bring manufacturing to North Tulsa in these small towns. People have to accept I have this knowledge, and the only people that are going to understand this are the people that have knowledge. So like when I go talk to the people that develop the high-tech manufacturing equipment, they will understand it. When I get to New York City and I'm talking to the board members of these top media companies and these top brick and mortars, they will understand what I'm saying. But I'm stuck in a rut in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Senators, I need your help. You know, our President of the United States has an agenda to create U.S. manufacturing. I have the plan. I have the plan to bring it, and I have the plan how to make people productive and healthy on welfare. I see all this information, but everybody has to accept pieces of the puzzle, and I need the senators first to accept the piece of the puzzle that you all have the money already, you have the legislation already ready, you know stuff is tied into earmarks, and please don't be so almighty that you're conservative that you don't do earmarks, because all your senators do. You attach things, and that's the way it's done. And if your child is dying and you needed to raise something, you would fight for an earmark. Our children are dying in North Tulsa. It's time we bring this money to Oklahoma. Senators, please take time to listen to me. I have approached your people, and I never get past them. Senator Lankford, Marissa Treat, and I have met a couple times. We get combative because she can't understand. She can't accept it. You all have to accept what I have.